Hello student. So today we are going to start the new session, and in this particular session we are going to look for the parameter that is the syllabus of BSc second year semester 3. Now here in the syllabus you can say that there will be a different types of parameters included. Particularly this course is having optional course that we called it as a core course. Along with that, skill enhancement course is there, and the third one is ability enhancement course. So these three parameters are included in the syllabus. From these three, the most important thing is core course. This core course is related to the subject of botany. Along with that, skill enhancement course is having the inclusion of course which is required for the enhancement of the skills of the students, and the third part, that is ability enhancement course, which is having second language and the compulsory language. So likewise it is included in the syllabus of the semester third of second year. Now total credits for this semester 3 is 15, that is 12 for the theory and 3 credits for the laboratory. Now here you can see the details of the course, that is optional or core course includes taxonomy of angiosperm and plant physiology. These are the two subjects which is included in core course, whereas these two course is having the lab course, that is practical 3 and practical 4. Now skill enhancement course is having the inclusion of skill based enhancement program, and the ability enhancement course includes communication skill in English, that is the English language we can say, and student is needed to study the second language that includes either Marathi, Hindi, or additional English, Urdu, or Sanskrit, any one of these particular language. Now looking towards the lectures or period per week, 45 periods per week is given to all these courses, and credits you can see first two core courses having the 2 credits, then 1.5 credit is given to the practical, and again 2 credits is given to the skill enhancement course, and 3 credits each is given to the languages. Now when we go for the marks, you can see the 50 marks is the maximum marks which is for each course having the practical or the theory, all these having the 50 marks. Then these 50 marks is distributed as continuous internal assessment and university assessment. So all these subjects is having the 10 marks as an internal assessment and 40 marks as a university assessment. So in all total we can say that the exam is for 350 marks, and from this 350 marks the minimum marks is 140 marks. So this is all about semester 3. Now moving to the semester 4, you can see in a semester 4 again the optional one, that is core course is there. This core course is again having the 2 theory papers. These 2 theory papers is having the 2 practicals based on this theory, and skill enhancement course is there, in which we can again student is having the ability to select the any course from the 2 given courses. And next one is ability enhancement compulsory course, which is having communication skill in English and Marathi Hindi as a Marathi Hindi additional English and so on for the second language. And in addition to this there will be a environmental studies, which is the part included in the semester 4. Now moving to the next portion, that is the periods per week. So all these particular subjects is having 45 lectures or periods per week and having the different credits. Say for example 2 credits for theory, 1.5 credit for practical, each practical, then 2 credits for skill enhanced subject, Then three credits each having to the English communication skill and Marathi second language. So in all we can say that here 360 marks is there, uh, in all 350 marks is there, from which 140 marks is to be a uh, minimum marks. Now moving to the syllabus of the second semester, that is second year second semester. The unit number 1 is included with plant water relation, then mineral nutrition, and the third part, that is translocation of solutes. Plant water relation includes diffusion, osmosis, plasmolysis, imbibition. So these are the basic terminologies which is related to plant water relation, and along with these water absorption, ascent of sap, transpiration, this part is included in your unit number 1, which is having the 5 credits in all. 5 credit is given. So 2 2 2 3 5, these are nothing but the different lectures which is to be conducted for this particular portion. Now second part of unit number 1 is having the addition of macro and micromolecular elements, and role of these and deficiencies of these particular elements. Say for example NPK, Mg, all these micro and macro element is having some importance, and as the deficiency shows some symptoms, we need to study this particular macro and micro elements. Along with this, mineral uptake and translocation of solute, this part is also included in unit number 1. Moving to the unit number 2, unit number 2 is related to enzymes, then growth regulators. These enzymes include the holoenzyme, apoenzyme, prosthetic group, cofactor, and the nomenclature classification of enzyme. So it is the basics of all terms and terminologies related to enzymes. Second part of unit number 2 is having the inclusion of growth regulator. This growth regulator is to be discussed or studied as a discovery, structure, types, roles, then application of this particular growth regulator. The focus is on auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, abscisic acid, and ethylene. Now the last and most important unit, that is unit number 3 is there. That unit number 3 is related to or deals with the photosynthesis. In this unit number 3, we need to concentrate on definition of photosynthesis, ultrastructure of chloroplast, photosynthetic pigment, light reaction, then red drop and immersion enhancement effect. So along with this, we are also going to look for the photophosphorylation, cyclic and non-cyclic scheme or Z scheme, dark reaction, C3 and C4 pathway, then CAM pathway. All these particular things are required to be discussed in photosynthesis. Now the second part of unit number 3 is having the inclusion of respiration. In a respiration, we are going to concentrate on definition, ultrastructure of mitochondria, types of respiration, then glycolysis, TCA cycle, then photorespiration, electron transport system, alcoholic and lactic acid fermentation. So all these terminologies along with these cycles we are going to discuss in the second part of unit number 3. Along with this, the continuous internal assessment, that is the tutorials and assignments are also there. That is student needs to submit the tutorials, then along with that the test is there and some assignment is there. This assignment is also required to be provided. So I hope all of you have understood this particular part